Hey everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our Android system in a 2012 BMW 5 Series. It's a 528. Came with the original backup camera. And it comes with a 360 camera as well, but no nav. That's our screen that we replaced there. And this is the original screen. As you can see how small was it compared to the 10.25 inch that we put in the 5 series. And right now it's playing video through USB. You can even go to drive and still can watch. By touching the screen you can go to the aftermarket mode, which looks exact same as new Evo Touch in BMW, and still works with the iDrive control, so I can control the menu through iDrive. And as you can see, this is fully Android. We can go to apps. These are all the applications. You can use Google Map, you can use Waze. And here right now I can go to the original car and I can use the original iDrive in the car without any problem. And again I go back to the aftermarket mode. We have the OBD reader that it reads the information of the car. That's the OBD reader, how much gas left in the car, what's the temperature, everything is there. And also I can go to reverse, still backup camera works. I can go to 360, still works. And again I go to the aftermarket mode. And I can go to nav. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.